Hello everyone, this is Soldier 301 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my soccer slash football package. Anyways, let's get started. Our first package is the small one. Let's open it. This package that I bought is a shin guard. It is used to protect your legs when you are playing soccer or just walking. I don't know. However, it will not save you when you get tackled behind or just get tackled by the next Sergio Ramos. Look at that. This is a shin guard, you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna test this out. So yeah, this is the shin guard. It totally fits, kinda. See the other one? Yep. It's pretty uncomfortable, but it can save me by not getting injured. Something. Kind of hard. The next one is already open because I got a little bit too excited. Anyways, let's see what is inside. This is a soccer slash football jersey. Okay. Now, I got the Juventus one, the Juventus kit, because I could not find a FC Barcelona kit because it's sold out. But the Juventus kit is good, you know. They are sat 4th place in Serie A, so they qualify for the Champions League. Anyways, let's test this jersey out. See if it fits on me. See in the back. Oh wait, there's no name in the box. Forgot I bought the nameless jersey. Anyways, let's see what. Alright, let's see it fits on me. Oh wow! I look like a Juventus player. You perfectly fit on me. Good jersey. It's a little bit hot here, but it's still good. Wow, the Juventus kit and the shin guard are good product, and also there will be more package that I will buy if I have the money. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, and I see you all in the next one. Bye!